All right, guys, welcome back to the Fox Shop. A little bit warm out right now. Got the sun out. It's not horrible. Probably got a little bit of wind noise right there. I'll come over here. There we go. It's not too bad. Probably middle to upper 80s. We're gonna get really hot here next couple days, right, bud? Jesse's around here somewhere. But anyway, guys, I am going to do a little bit of something on that 1990 Crew Cab. Nothing real big, and something I've kind of done before. Oh, Jesse's laying out here, sunbathing. She likes the heat. Buddy doesn't like the heat so much. But anyway, let's go up and get in the truck. All right, so we've got a little bit of a breeze blowing through here, so if you get a little bit of wind noise, I apologize. Hopefully it's not too bad. It's probably just Buddy breathing hard. I don't know, but anyway, what I'm gonna do on these headlights, clean those up, or at least one of them. Like I said, you can do it on the cheap. I've got one of these Porter Cable orbital buffers, which works really good with these kind of pads on them. You could do this by hand, and I'm using Meguiar's what is this? Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 100 Pro Speed compound. I'll link that down below. It's a fairly aggressive rubbing compound. I think wax might even work. I was gonna link this in the description, but I don't think they are selling that on Amazon right now, but I might be able to link something real similar to this down there. So I'll try to do that. I'll have to look into that once I get into editing the video. But anyway, let me get things set up. So I see comments all the time on my Facebook group and other places about, you know, headlights that are all fogged over or yellow. And I'm gonna show you how to fix them up real quick here. Take some rubbing compound. I don't have any water. Usually I like to put a little bit of water down here, or on the pad. So we'll put that on there. We'll dab that around. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy this is. So there's one round with the buffer. Just gonna wipe this off real quick. And you could do this by hand. Takes a little bit longer, but not a big deal. You could do it by hand. We're gonna hit her again. Put your rubbing compound on here. You don't need a whole lot. Dab that on there, and here we go. Wipe that off. And I'm gonna hit one more time. One more time, 3 times. Wipe that off again. And I apologize if there's some wind noise here, but I mean, look at the difference. You got this guy. Took me probably less than 5 minutes. And it used to look like that. Pretty darn quick and simple. I've heard some people say you should put clear coat over these maybe when you're done. You could go over this another time too, but I mean, really, I've never done that. I've done this several times. If they get foggy again, you just hit them again real quick. I'm gonna see if I have just some wax up in the house, and I don't know, getting wind noise. Some wax up in, what are you doing, bud? Some wax up in the house, and I'll see what it does on that side. All right, be right back. Went up the house. I couldn't find the car polish I was looking for. I found this in the garage. I thought I had some, what's it called? I can't remember what it's called. It comes in an orange bottle, but anyway, it's just car wax. So we're gonna try this on the other one. We'll see how it turns out. I don't even know how old this stuff is, but we'll put some on here, maybe. Come on. Come on. There we go. Put some of that on there. Let's see what this does. Might be more the pad than the polish. I'm not sure. Smear that around. All right, let's go. All right, there's one time around. It's already shining up fairly decent. Let's hit her again. So that's with the heavier cutting compound. And then we move over here. This is basically just car wax over here. I think go over that a couple more times and it would probably match this over there. But I'm just saying, you can go buy those things from the store, but if you have some car polish, rubbing compound of some kind, you can do that by hand. It just takes a little bit longer, but you can clean those lights up real quick. And I'm not sure which one looks better, this one over here or this one over there. This one only had twice with just car wax. I could hit it again, see what happens. Let's do that. And I think I got some up in my eye, but let's wipe this off. Well, in my opinion, and maybe the camera's not picking it up, but I think this one still looks a little bit cleaner than that one. Go over that a couple more times, it'd probably be about the same. And like I said, you can do that by hand. You don't have to have one of these buffers. Any kind of a buffer would work. I love this thing. I'll try to link that down below in the description. If not, this one real similar to it. And this backing pad did not come with it. It came with a different pad. These are Velcro. So I bought this backing pad. Then you can get these pads. You got like yellow one is a little more aggressive. They have an orange one that's not quite as aggressive. It's made more for just taking out like little tiny scratches and that kind of thing. This one's fairly aggressive, and this rubbing compound, I'll link it down below. It's fairly aggressive, but for working on headlights and that kind of thing, it really makes a difference. I mean, that's what I used when I did these up here, and you can tell the difference between that one and that one. And like I said, I put a video up on that with those other headlights a couple years ago, but I thought I'd do it again. Real simple. You don't have to go and buy the headlight kits and do all this and that. Take some rubbing compound, a rag, your hand. You can do it if you have a buffer like that. Super easy. How long it lasts? Well, that just depends, but it's real easy to do again. As far as what else is going on here tonight, not a whole lot. It's warm, it's humid. It's gonna get really hot here the next few days. It's gonna get hot and humid. We're gonna be in the field here another month, so that'll be good. On the truck here, I don't really know what to do. If you've been following along, you know things haven't been going the greatest for me, but I think one thing I might do is get all the doors out of the back of it, put them somewhere, maybe inside the barn, get the bed off this thing. I think I'm gonna try to put a flatbed on this. You just can't find a decent bed around here for a decent price. And I think it looked pretty good with a flatbed on it. Some people don't like that, but that's okay. Trust me, I'll get one that makes her look hot. Other than that, replace the doors, maybe some couple cab corners, parts of the rockers on this thing. This could be a beautiful truck. Get her all fixed up. Anyway guys, trying to get back in the groove here, making videos. It's just been really hard. We had that big storm that blew through last week. I've been really busy cleaning up tree stuff, and I have some damage up on the roof of the barn I need to take care of. But if you would, please hit that like button. Comments go down below. Hit that subscribe button with a little notification bell, and we'll catch you next time, guys.